26.
So 26 inches of snow. Wow. Go out there.
Like farther?
Yeah, go out in the middle of the yard. It seems like it's a little lower spot where you measured is why I say. It's hard to tell because it blows around. You can see there's high spots and low spots. Trying to pick the flattest spot. Yeah, right to your left there. Looks like a good open flat spot. Go right out there.
Like right here?
Yeah. We'll go out there a little bit. Because that's kind of close to where you shoveled. And do it straight up and down. Oh my gosh. It's up to my waist.
What if they got, like, as tall as me and I couldn't go in the snow then?
Yeah, I don't know. All right, try and drop it right there.
$29.
29. Yeah, that's about what I was guessing. Try it on the other side of you. Uh-oh.
I can see a little bit of yellow.
You better get it or we won't get it until June. Probably should have wore gloves.
Wait, where do I go?
Just kind of right by where you drop the tape measure. No, just on your left side there. Or other left. That's fine. Right there.
And drop it?
No, like see how deep the snow is there.
I can still feel snow.
I know, it's deep.
Like, every time I kick, I'm just sinking.
Yeah. Tire swing's buried.
Not all the way.
Okay, see how deep it is right there. Gotta push that bottom part, remember? There you go. Here. Go out here somewhere. Yeah. About 28 and a half. It's a lot of snow.